A window grill not only provides security against intruders, but also provides safety against the risk of falling out, and forms an important design element of the home. Factors like strength, durability and resistance to external weather elements play a key role in deciding the best material for window grills. These grills are usually fixed on the inner side of the windows for security or can be installed on the external side of the windows to form an integral part of the building facade. In this video, some of the best window grill materials that can be used to complement the overall look of your home. Hello everyone. Welcome to Decor Art channel. We share latest interior design trends and home decor ideas. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get our new updates daily. Like the video, comment with your favorite design, and share it with your friends to support us. Cast iron and wrought iron grills. Give an ornate look to your windows with cast iron or wrought iron window grills. Pros: all iron can be molded into any shape to achieve intricate designs that give a decorative look to the home, and it never goes out of style. All iron is a very strong and long-lasting material. Cons: all iron is prone to rusting, hence the window grills should be sealed regularly. Wrought iron and cast iron window grills are very expensive too. MS, mild steel. MS is the most popular material that is used for window grills. Pros: MS is a very strong and durable material that is easy to work with. MS is very easy to maintain and just needs to be wiped with a damp cloth. The best part about MS is that it can be used to fabricate both straight line designs and ornamental grill designs. Additionally, the grills can be painted in any color to match with the color of the windows. MS window grills are one of the most affordable materials used for the window grills. Cons: one drawback about this material is that MS has a tendency to rust, hence it is essential to periodically paint the window grills. Aluminium. Aluminium grills are available in straight line designs, which impart a modern look to the home. Pros: aluminium is a strong, lightweight, and highly durable material that is resistant to most outdoor weather conditions. The window grills can be powder coated in various colors. Aluminium grills are easy to maintain and can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Another plus is that aluminium window grills do not rust. Cons: while aluminium does not rust, it does get corroded and discolored due to oxidation in the presence of salt air, so aluminium is not suitable for coastal areas. SS, stainless steel. SS window grills are a great way to impart a high-end modern look to the home. Pros: SS is strong, sturdy, maintenance-free, and does not rust because it has a top coating of chromium oxide. The sleek sections of SS grills look sophisticated and have a superior finish. Thin sections of steel can be used to create an invisible and functional window grill. How? Steel wires are stretched across the windows with brackets to form a security feature, just as you see in the image above. Also, The steel wires are so thin that the steel sections are barely visible at a distance. Cons: OSS window grills are very expensive in comparison to other window grill materials. 5. Wooden grills add softness, as well as an element of warmth within the home, but do not provide adequate security compared to metal grills. Pros: wooden window grills are only used as an aesthetic element for low-rise buildings. Wood is used to create an interesting design feature on the cantilevered window of the building facade. Cons: wood has the tendency to rot, get attacked by termites, and may splinter over a period of time. Additionally, wooden elements require a lot of maintenance and need to be sealed at least once in 2 years. 6. Concrete trellis. How about using a concrete jolly lattice screen instead of the conventional window grill materials? Pros: concrete is a robust material and can be used as a jolly over the window. These jollies are available in a prefabricated form and are usually installed in low-rise bungalows or villas. Such a jolly comprises small perforations in a sheet of concrete and is an effective way to combat the hot Indian climate, especially in northern India. These jollies are fixed and are available in various patterns. They provide light and adequate ventilation to the home. Jollies give a traditional look to the home. Cons: it provides limited views of the outdoors, hence most homeowners prefer windows that can open instead of jollies. Lately, decorative jollies in metal or GRC, glass reinforced concrete, have become a popular addition because they not only function as a grill, but also aesthetically beautify the facade of the building. Tell us in comments, which material have you used for the window grills of your home and why? At the end, please like this video, comment with your favorite design, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for